I mean, you say a drug addict. I mean, you say all kind of blood clot things, but I me love one of the most.
Well, he attack me. But Jaden Chase, they have to make the fans them know what really are going.
Yeah, man, now move settings nation. And we no need no ladder. Yeah, man, Jaden Chase. Another one that we're going to bring another exciting reason for to pick up dancehall, entertainment, and of course, current affairs. So if you're new to the channel, just a pass through. But you don't like the reason and of course, you don't like the point of view, well, I'm suggesting to you that you click the subscribe icon and then kick in the like button. Now let's get right into the reasoning. One thing for sure, nation. That revolutionary aspect, that talking for the rights, that aspect of doing good works in the community and not just singing about it is truly missing from the Rastafarian reggae community. Now Sizzla forward out and talking mine. Some fans saying maybe Sizzla went a bit too far. Now Buju's response was even more intense. I'm not going to hear Buju have to say, and then we're going to continue reasoning nation. More you look and of course more you listen.
I sacrifice food for come at the concert for what certain entertainer. And now when the people them need them, they are voiceless. They show that them never real. They will only envy. You can put it on a scale and put a feather in at the next side, and the feather heavier than my scale. That means that Buju never do no work. At the same standard to my co-workers. Take up them work. Put that rascal on a scale. And if the feather heavier than it, we don't see what we are dealing with. No, we need them. We are there.
Yes, nation. Buju say feather outweigh the deeds of many of these reggae artists who go out there and put out music about social change, about doing good, about the upliftment of the nation, and about truths and rights. Truth be told, enough of them do. No charitable deeds, no community program, even in the community where them forward from. It is clear, in this day and age, reggae superstars are more concerned about their career than using their platform for any social change. Now that is a stark contrast to the image they portray through music. Nzinga King and the situation the ordeal that she faced is just one of the examples of situations that you'd expect the Rasta reggae community to forward out strong about. That never happened until after people start saying, but wait, oh, we're not here from a particular group of people. At one point in time, it's almost like people who were not a part of the Rasta movement were more outraged than even the Rasta community. Because many Jamaicans, we see Rasta as a part of our cultural heritage. We respect Rasta. And that are those facts. So when people say this, to a Rastafarian, of course you have certain people with that expect to say something. Now Buju are definitely an artist, a Rasta reggae artist, who has used his platform to express how him feel for one, and also to educate the masses. Him using platform to speak out against injustice. Most people who come talk about the situation but used the situation for either highlight something else or sell something or some of them type of reasoning. I'm going to hear some more what Buju have to say, and then we'll continue reasoning nation. Look and listen.
They to stand up for the people, to comfort the people who are in between worlds, confused, stressed, going through all kind of thing. Me see them all bowed. Some of them expose themselves a long time. Some of them have already bowed. Me people, place not your hope in man. Place not your trust in none of these politicians. Trust in the true and living God. Trust in ourselves. Bond in our community. Strengthen our community. No make nothing happen we don't know about. No make nobody come in there. I don't know where them come in there for. Stop this senseless murder. Stop the wanton killing on weakening us. us. You are destroying and weakening us. That means if me could have called upon 10 soldiers for help me all a border, me can't find 10, me go only find 1 because I found a junkie at the morning just start. Half of the man them a drink Red Bull, rum, and all kind of fuck, you know, call it special. You know, already weak. Yes, I'm a parrot laugh. You know, already rascal weak. Now, put the cup aside. Let's go. Let us stand up and be men in this nation. So the next generation can come and remember us as the men who stand up in a pivotal time when our nation was at the crossroads. Not some guys who hide and wait for Buju to speak and then them take it and post it and say, yes, I hear Buju. I said, no, you guys do not represent us. I watched you and I see you. If I post something positive, I wanna come down upon me like a ton of bricks. When I post some fuckery, I wanna love it, I wanna go on like I say something. I wanna he then and she thens. Most sound is going to be wood for the fire. But me love you know. And me have to make you know. There's no way out of this but unity. You could have $1, you could have 10. It don't matter. There's no way out of this but unity. The unity of you and the unity of I. My freedom is intricately linked to your freedom. My life is intricately linked to your life and your existence. We are all children of the true and living God. Let's get back to a place of love where we can look out and embrace each other. Where we can, if someone don't have a sugar in their house, we have to give them a cup of sugar like we used to. We don't hide the flour. We don't watch them children run around hungry. We have to get back to being our brother's brother. No longer shall we be our brother's keeper. Those who want to keep their brother, keeping their brothers down. Let's be our brother's brother and our brothers and sisters and love. Yes? Okay? We can't tell you no happy independence because you cannot be happy in a pen. But I can say to you, you have life. And once we have life, we have hope. If you never think the struggle is real, look out your window. Turn off your TV, turn off your CVM and your TVG and your JBC and all them international fucker. Go do some research. Find Rumble, find Big Truth, go on Telegram. There are great various conversations happening out there. Tune in to something that can open your eyes, my people. We have lost our way so bad. When I say I come and I hear the leader and the head of state saying the people who are buying tin mackerel is the cause of spread of COVID in my country. When I look and I see the wanton parties being held in these hotels and all these things. And no. My watch uno was all silent. Yet them cut a little data locks. Right? And it's like mom is the word and Parapinto is the game. Look. Them have no respect for us. None whatsoever. And it's only fools walk around and seek respect. Fools don't get respect. So you running around and kowtowing. That's not the Jamaica I know. Whoever cut the girl locks. You hear me? Whether no one like it or blood clot not. Wanna violate the human right of an individual and one must be held accountable. Wanna use Rasta, wanna abuse Rasta, wanna violate blood clot. That's it if you send come call me like what the thing say me as some guy wanna can come send come bomber clot car. I'm telling you this. You see I man, I is the last of the
Yes, nation. But you definitely put certain things where I feel like most people have an point of view. Most people never look on a certain situation from that aspect. You see me? They never really look upon it from that standpoint. And that's what we expect from Rasta artists. You see me? Rasta celebrities. As I say, Buju definitely somebody who has used this platform to talk about the issues, regardless of way people might think or how people might feel. So talk to me in the comment section, I know you feel about himself. But I said the one called Jaden Chase, the dancer correspondent, the Gaza representative, and I'm reminding you know if you're new to the channel, new to the movement, just a pass through. But you like the reason and of course you like the point of view, well, I'm suggesting to you that you click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon and put it on all. And this is how you know you'll be notified of all fresh content. content as soon as fresh content is uploaded and made available for you. So until reason again, live, love, and prosper.